Tom's Paint Shop. Hey, baby Tom, baby Jeremy. Look, here's baby Frank and baby Matt. They're dressed as Chase and Marshall from the Paw Patrol. Wow. I think baby Tom and baby Jeremy want to know where you got your costumes. Tom's Paint Shop? Why don't we go down there and see what Tom can do for you? Hey, Tom, the babies have a question for you. Are you going to ask baby Jeremy? How about you, baby Tom? You want to know if Tom could turn you into Rubble and Rocky from the Paw Patrol? Well, what do you think? You can? Awesome! Let's get started. What shall we do first? Paint a green uniform on baby Tom just like Rocky? Great idea. Do we need any other colors? Green? Okay, Tom, let's see. Looking great, baby Tom. What else do you need? Fantastic! Now you look like a real dog. Is something else missing, Tom? Wow! Is it baby Jeremy's turn now? What color do we need for Rubble's uniform, Tom? Beige? Okay, Tom, let's do it. Do we need any other colors? Brown? Awesome. What else do we need? Rubble's helmet. Babies, wait. Seems like Tom has forgotten to give you something else. Your Paw Patrol badge, of course. There we go. You guys look amazing. Are they ready to play with the rest of the Paw Patrol now? Have a great time, babies. Good job, Tom. See you soon. Tom's Paint Shop. Hi, Tom. Are you excited to start another paint job? It's Tyler the Tyke. Hi, Tyler. You look a bit tired. Didn't you sleep well? Oh, dear. Well, you're here at Tom's now, and that's always fun. What character will you get transformed into today? Donald Duck? That's awesome! Tom's ready to get started. The first step is to protect your eyes. You have to keep these goggles on, Tyler. Oh boy, Tom. This could be a long process. White spray paint? That must be for Tyler's body. Blue paint? That must be for Donald's clothing. He always wears blue. Sit still, Tyler. Tom can't paint you when you're squirming around. What's next, Tom? Be careful, Tyler. Don't touch those supplies. You're going to spill the paints. That's not very nice, Tyler. You're nice to continue, Tom. Tyler's being naughty today. Wow, mystery supplies. Wow, now Tyler will look like he has feathers. Donald's beak. There, Tyler. Tom is all done. You don't look happy, Tyler, but you do look just like a grumpy Donald Duck. Hey there, guys. Looks like you're working hard today. Hi, Lily. It's good to see you. Do you have a project for the construction squad? Oh, I see. Charlie, Ethan, Edgar, Lily needs your help with a construction job. Do you want to hear about the project? Okay, Lily, let's see the mission. Wow, a new slide for the playground. Let's go, squad. This is a tough mission. You're going to have to work together as a team to get this slide done. Step 1. We build the tower with the platform. Step 2. We add the slide to the platform. Step 3. We attach a ramp on the other side of the platform. Look at all these building materials. We'll need something stronger than wood to hold up the slide, Ethan. These metal poles will definitely hold up the platform, and the gates will prevent the cars from falling. You're right, Charlie. These are perfect for a slippery slide. We'll definitely need those screws to hold everything together, Ethan. Good idea. Of course, Edgar. We mustn't forget about the platform. This is very important. Sure, a ramp. How could we climb on the platform otherwise? Okay, team, let's get going. We'll need to put these into the ground to hold the slide up, Edgar. Maybe Ethan can help you. That sure looks tough, but you can do it. You should screw the gate to the platform. Well done! Now we need to attach the slippery metal elements to the platform. That's right, Charlie. The slide won't stand without a support in the middle. Ethan? Edgar? Can you see if you can spot anything that might support the slide in the middle? Perfect, boys. Wow, you even thought to bring a square one for the ramp. Then you have to place the second slide. Ethan, can you bring the ramp over? Charlie will settle it. Great teamwork. The slide is officially finished. Hi, Lily. What do you think of the new slide? Great job, everyone! This mission is complete, and we couldn't have done it without working together. See you next time!
Carl, transform!
Hi, Frank. Where are you off to? You look worried. Were you called to put out a fire? Better hurry then. Be careful, Frank. You want to get there quickly, but you don't want to have an accident. Look, there's Matt. He's trying to wave you down, Frank. He must know about the fire. Oh, you saw the fire, Matt? And you want to show Frank a shortcut to get to it? Good idea. Better turn around so Frank can follow you. Let's go. A fire can spread quickly. Oh my, that's quite a fire there. Thank goodness this building is abandoned and no one is inside. Do you think you can handle this, Frank? Those flames are really high. Should we go find Carl so that he can call Super Truck to help? Okay, let's go. Carl! Carl! Sorry to disturb you, but this is an emergency. Frank is at the scene of a huge fire and could use a hand. Can you ask Super Truck to help us, Carl? Great, let's get going. Which vehicle do you think you'll transform into, Carl? Of course, a fire truck. Awesome, Carl. You're red, like a real fire engine. Wow, you look so different, Carl. Let's get going. Matt! Hey, Matt! Here is Super Truck. Oh, poor Matt. You didn't see Super Truck arrive, did you? This way, Super Truck. Put your sirens on. Good news, Frank. Super Truck is here to help. Good work, Frank. Great job, Super Truck. Working together, you were able to put the fire out. Now you can rest easy, Frank and Matt, knowing that there's no more danger. And Carl, I mean Super Truck, you can go back home and listen to your music. Thanks, guys. See you next time.